Meet True Unlimited Samgyeopsal and Restaurant, located at Dali, Quinamonan, Rizal.
Favorite mo yan?
Thanks so much, Glow, Glamour, and Grace. His and Hers Salon and Spa.
We would also like to thank Green Ridge.
Thanks so much, Sikatan Ka.
We would also like to thank Avon.
Thanks so much, Mom. You attitude.
We would also like to thank MET, Aviation Academy.
We would also like to thank Madam G. Apostadel.
We would also like to acknowledge Madame Coco and Tiporda.
We would like to invite the presence of Madam Coco Antiporda here in our stage.
Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating punong barangay, Guillermo Anoret, Sangguniang Barangay Council members of Batingan, and to all the guests, and to all the visitors, and to all the candidates po here. Bali pa, 3 times ko na pong nami-meet yung mga bata na kandidato ng Faces of Binangonan. And wait, I would like to thank nga pala the organizers of Faces of Binangonan, headed by Tita Mona. Thanks for having me here po. Ayun, 3 times ko na pong nami-meet yung mga candidates po ng Faces of Binangonan. And nakita ko po yung improvement nila. Lahat po sila ay may potential, and kino-congratulate ko na po agad sila. And sa lahat po ng candidates and sa lahat po na nandito, lagi po nating tatandaan na true beauty comes from within. Yan lamang po, and good night everyone, and let's enjoy the rest of the night. Coco at Tiporda po from Pila-Pila. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And also, we would like to thank our major sponsor, Mr. Ivan Santa Ana, a CPA and also an owner of Lucky Simon Tax and Accounting Services. Once again, thank you so much, Mr. Ivan Santa Ana.
So, ayan, partner. Alam ko na lahat ng mga audience natin here are excited on our next segment. Excited na ba ang lahat? Yes, naman. Excited na sila for our next segment. So up next, we have the long gown and formal attire portion.
And the candidates will be judged on elegance, confidence, and how they carry themselves.
Yes, partner. It's time to see how they truly shine in these stunning designs.
For the females, they'll be showcasing their long gowns featuring the barangay logo. And for male, formal attire with a touch of local pride. Very exciting.
Yes, partner. This is the nitty-gritty of our category here in this competition.
Of course, and it's one of the most crucial parts of every pageant competition. Now, without further ado, let us begin with the formal attire.
Let us all welcome the female candidates of Faces of Binangonan 2025.